Hello, this is Sean Winters, Digital Coach for Union County. I want to show how to turn your room into a escape room using a locking method on Google Forms. So here I am in Google Forms. I have my class set up, and one of the tasks I would have my students do is try to determine a 3-digit code. So instead of having to go out and buy a lock, I can actually go into Google Forms and say I'm going to give an answer of a 3-digit code. But then if I do the more option, there's response validation. And I can actually set this to say numbers and is equal to a specific value. Now, what they'll get is a thing that says still locked, and anytime they type anything different. Now I'll show you a little video of that real quick. So the code 124 is incorrect, and you notice it says still locked. It won't actually let me submit my answer until I type in the correct value. You'll see that that changed. Now I can do the same thing with a specific word. So this is a 6-letter code. I'm specifying all caps because this system won't be able to distinguish for that. So in this case, when I do the response validation, the text contains the name Martin, and we can do still locked. And you can do different things instead of just saying still locked. You can have cute little codes that says try again, or I cannot do that, Dave, or whatever you want. So I'll go over here and you can see what that looks like. So I type in Martin in lowercase, even though that is the name, I didn't follow the rule right here that I said all caps. And what I would do, I'd have them submit, and once they submit, I don't have to leave that, let me just go over here. Up in settings, when you do a presentation, once they're done, you can have it say, awesome jobs, you got through, go to the site for the next lock, and you can actually put in another Google form link to another set of locks. So you can do like a level 1 lock, a level 2, a level 3. Or another option you could do is break this into sections. Once they get through with this section, they'll have another one, another one. The issue with that, though, is if they can't finish all the locks, they won't have any progress to track because they won't be able to submit a final thing. But if you break it up into different forms, they'll actually have individual results that they can finish out. But just a neat little idea, and you could have a regular quiz going on and then throw in a couple of locks. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you.